Okay, last week we spoke about choosing, right? Okay, we use the ice cream analogy, which is that if I have a bowl versus a cone, right? Now I'm going to tell you a couple of things. Number one, how to solve a question where you don't have to use all the elements. That means there's 6 ice cream here, you're not going to buy all 6. That's very crazy. Number 2, what's the difference between a cone ice cream and a bowl ice cream? And then number 3, the 2 common mistakes that you all make when it comes to this. Okay? So let's say now I got 6 flavors over here. If let's say I buy a bowl of ice cream, I want to buy 3 flavors only. So Wei, how would you choose 3 flavors? 6 choose 3. Do you need to permutate? Don't need. Because you put it here, put it here, put it here, I still can eat. The experience won't change. So this one is just 6 choose 3, full stop, no more. But if you buy a cone, again, if you go Clarke Quay, my favorite place to buy the cone, because their cone is sideways one. You put the ice cream like this and like this, so you can eat equally. But in most, you know those kind of uncle one downstairs one, right? They'll put the flavor below and above, right? So it matters whether the chocolate goes here, here, or up here. So in this case, for you, let's say you want to pick 3 flavors, how would you do it?
6 choose 3 times 3 factorial.
6 choose 3 times 3 factorial. Correct. What does that mean? That means like you go to each of the flavors, you say yes or no, yes or no, yes or no. You pick any 3 flavors, and these 3 flavors are unique. They are not repeated. You don't buy double chocolate. What's the 3 factorial for?
Because you arranging the 3 flavors.
Yeah, because your experience may change, right? Maybe your chocolate is at the bottom, your chocolate is at the top, your chocolate is in the middle. It matters. And that's why cone and bowl ice cream, they have very different implications. So, Carrie's the liquors one, right? They put the cup one also on top and below, right? You very long ago, yeah? Oh, I buy the double scoop one, not nice. Cause my favorite one is below. Yeah. Then you go to the Hokkaido one, the one at Clarke Quay, yeah? They put sideways one, so it's a very nice experience. It's very cosmo. Go and try. Bring your boyfriend, whatever. Hopefully no man breaks your heart. Okay? Now, this is the common mistake that most students will do. This is correct. I'm going to show you a different method. It will give you the same answer unless you add one more step. This is what Zachary likes to do. Oh shit, I just said it name. So what he likes to do is, let's say I choose the flavor, 6 choose 1, times 5 choose 1, times 4 choose 1. Then he times 3 factorial. You know what's the difference between these 2 methods? Firstly, is this one correct? What do you think is correct? Zuen? Correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? Paris? You think it's correct? Let's put it into perspective. If I buy ice cream for this one, right? What I do is I go to Wei Yu, she's at the ice cream store, and say, I want the chocolate, I want the matcha, I want the strawberry. I just say like that. Then what would Wei Yu ask me? If I buy a cone, which one would you put in first, right? That's what I'm doing. I tell her all the flavors I want, then she'll ask me back, which one to put in first? I arrange. This one is, I go to Ziwen, I say, I want the matcha ice cream. Then I look at him. What will he do? He's not saying anything else. I put the matcha in first. He put in the matcha already, right? Then I say, Ziwen, now I want the mint. Then I keep quiet. Then what would you do next? Yeah, put the mint, right? Then after you put it already, then I say, now I want the banana. Then I look at him. He say, pay up. Yeah, but yeah. So that will be last flavor. What do you realize from this example?
You already had a set arrangement.
Exactly. When I do choose one, I already had the arrangement. But this one, 6 choose 3 times 3 factorial, is that I haven't arranged it. Fuck my faster. Okay. Anyway, so this one is you haven't arranged it. You choose all the flavor, then the person will ask you back which one you want to put in first. But this one is very clearly 6 choose 1, 5 choose 1, and 4 choose 1. This one accounts for both combination and permutation already. You don't need a 3 factorial. Because why? 6 choose 1, maybe in Zuwen's mind I'm picking chocolate. But in a parallel universe, I could be picking banana. That means if banana goes in here first versus the chocolate goes in here first, I've already commutated. I don't need to do it again. And that's the difference between using the red method and the black method. The black method is, you tell me what's the flavor you want, choose 3, yes or no first. This one is you choose the flavor already, by choosing the flavor I already put it in. You do not need to rearrange again. That's the choose one method. Personally, I use this a lot. But right now you're still beginner, you try the one with black first. The red one will come into use when I teach you more things. But know that this exists, know that what you're doing. And again, how do you know what you're doing? It's what I said just now, based on the buying ice cream experience. Do you choose as a dog first, then wait for the person to ask you? Or do you choose then you wait? Different. Okay? Now based on that, we're going to do a question that to me is very simple. And that will be the CJC one, the John, Mary and Gary. Question 13. This one will be one of the easier ones for today. Remember, you choose then you permutate. Don't use this method first, the one you ready to use first. Right.
Yes, I understand. These fixes are useful, but it may not work for every student. If you tried this kind of thing before and you still feel stuck, often it's because you don't have the right person to guide you, or you don't have the right person to build the system for you. Advantage Tutor, what we do is we don't just teach content, we also tell stories, we also ensure that you enjoy the entire process. And most importantly, we diagnose why your plan is failing. Once we know the root cause of the problem, I can tweak it for you, and then you can go on your own, and together with my help, that A for your A-levels will be the easiest ever. You will no longer feel like you're always playing catch-up in class, and right now, you're ahead and people are envious of you. They are looking to learn from you. Yes. So if you're interested, the link to the Google Doc is below. Sign up today, have a chat with me, and we'll see how I can help you. No obligations.